Yo, what's up, Molly Bodge? Welcome back to yet another reaction. If you are here for the first time, USA, Botswana, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. It's been a minute since I reacted to Lady Aika here, so we are going to do that. Lady Aika, somebody suggested this song. Am I talking so fast? Somebody suggested this song not so long ago. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys for all the suggestions. Obviously, I might not be able to get to all your suggestions, but you know, we are here. We are here. Lady Aika, Faith, let's get to it.
It's Marsha, the rhythm boy. Just another good song.
Freaking beats.
Masonga salibandupa kulipo kumendi kupita ndipo sendinga telebandono chilipo chumendi kuchita.
Yeah, this is a beautiful video, man. Like I feel like for the past few songs, anyway, let me not get myself in trouble. I'll talk about what I want to talk about after you have forgotten what I just said. The music has a little bit of traditional kind of element in there. I don't know if it's like a gospel type of a thing, but yeah, I was just about to say the videos that Lady Aika is doing, 100% round of applause, man. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful videos that I've seen, and she's just taking them one video after another.
By faith, Jinjagia by faith, by faith, Ziza enda by faith, by faith, Jinjagia by faith, by faith. Nimebarikiwa.
It's a beautiful landscape too, right? Like this is in Malawi. I feel like I've seen a video somewhere here. I don't know.
Dani akanatsiwa blessings of the season. Nipo sauna ngope kale tinkalila zikabanda kuyenda nebano bande matsiwo kufunika kupita yokoza zala yomweyi yomanga tsitsi yomweyi yoita nila basi nanga yokoma zidepe ulinde mbuye wabangano masambala ntawi by faith, by faith, Ziza enda by faith, by faith, Chinjagia by faith, by faith, Ziza enda by faith.
We're gonna go by faith.
Chinjagia by faith.
I don't know. I'm trying to get what to say.
Chinjagia by faith. By faith, by faith, Ziza enda by faith, by faith, Chinjagia by faith, by faith.
Oh, that's a beautiful one, beautiful video as well. So thank you so much for the suggestion. You know, I'm a big fan of Lady Aika here. So yeah, obviously all good things, man. I'm really glad that I got to do like music reactions again, because I felt like I missed this, you know. But some other things got to be said. So if you're interested in African politics, go check out my other YouTube page that I started reacting music there, but you know, I feel like there are some things that needs to be addressed political wise in Africa. And sorry, Lady Aika, I have to talk about this in your video. But yeah, anyway, go check that one out. Sounds like fun. Still up there. But yeah, beautiful stuff, beautiful video. Please leave another suggestion here that I might have missed from one of these guys. I'm looking forward to reacting to music from Ellen Juchi. I don't know if he has anything out yet, but anyway, thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the other side. I like the beat has some kind of cultural elements.